Okay, we ready to bake today?
We're ready to bake today, kids.
All right.
Are you ready?
Tell everyone what you're gonna make today.
We're gonna make cookies for Santa.
You are? Awesome. Show me how you're gonna do that today.
We are gonna put baking soda. And we're
This isn't baking soda.
baking
This is cake mix.
cake mix. So we're gonna put the cake mix into the bowl.
Okay, you go ahead and do that. Here you go.
Okay.
You first.
And we're gonna put a whole thing, everyone.
Whoa. Whoa. Great job.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it is.
Whoa.
Okay. What you gonna do next?
Mmm.
Is it good? It's very chocolatey. What you think?
Mmm.
That's good already?
Baking soda.
That's not baking soda. What do you think it needs next? I think this would be good.
Yes.
Whoa!
Whoa. No, I want to pour it.
Pour it? All right, check it out. I think you can do it. Is it gonna work like that?
Nope.
Maybe with a what?
Ooh.
Yeah, try it out.
Ooh.
I think you got that.
Oh,
Look, you gotta use your muscles. Remember all those muscles you got? Look at that. Look how easy that was. Very good. Look at that. Yes, do it again. Use it. I know you got muscles. Look at them. Look at it. Awesome. You got a little bit left.
I guess I think that's enough.
You think that's enough? Okay, you the boss. All right.
Mix.
Sure. Yeah.
Help me mix.
You got that? You got that, girl. Just roll your sleeves up so you can get in there. There you go.
Help me. Help me.
You think Santa's gonna eat all these cookies all by himself? I know you do. I'm excited to make cookies for Santa.
I'm gonna eat it.
You gonna eat it? I bet you will. But you gotta save him some so he can bring us some presents. What do you want Santa to bring you this year? Tell us.
Spidey gun with a Spidey face on it.
A Spidey gun with a Spidey face on it.
Yeah, and then it shoots all the bad guys.
Shoots all the bad guys. That sounds really cool. Where'd you see that from? You testing it as you go? Is it almost mixed up? Almost. Ready for the next part? Okay, now we gotta make some cookie balls and we're gonna dip them in what? What you think?
Powdered sugar!
Okay, pour some powdered sugar in your bowl so you have something to dip it into. How about not?
Nope. I want to pour it on.
Oh, well, you sure did. Okay, you ready? All right, now get some little balls of cookie and put them on the pan. You ready? Get a ball of it. There you go. Roll it up. Roll it up. Roll it up. And dip it in the powdered sugar. There you go. Perfect. Dip the whole thing. Make it all dipped in it. Throw it in there. Mix it around. There you go. And put one on here for me. Very good. Now.
Buddy!
All right. Can you make some more? Yes. That's perfect. That's perfect. That means we're going to put them in now. You ready? We need to make some more and we're going to put them in the oven. Sounds good?
Spread it.
This is fun.
I'm going to put some more.
Oh.
Da, 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 da.
I think that was enough. Let's get another ball.
Okay.
Ready? Look. Here you go. Grab that one off of there. Perfect. Make a ball of cookie and dip it in. This is so fun. I like this recipe.
Yeah. I'm going to cover it.
I love it. We could build a snowman. Look. Oh, yeah. Look.
Snowman top.
That's fun. Let's do another
I
one.
want to do more.
All right, here we go.
This is going to be a lot.
Here you go.
This is going to be a lot of cleaning.
That's okay. We're going to make Daddy do it. Sounds good?
Don't do it secret.
Okay, baby. Cover it. Oh, it's almost done. We gotta take some of the sugar off of this pan, little Grace.
Why? I want to.
Because we gotta make the cookies, not the sugar.
Sugar cookie? But sugar. Did you?
Great.
More.
We're gonna put these in the oven and we'll be back.
More.
Sounds good?
More.
Okay. All right, Lola, our cookies are ready.
I think I want to drink the chocolate milk.
Want some chocolate milk with your cookies?
That's
You
mine?
want to pour some?
That's mine?
Yeah, sure. Pour yourself some. But be careful. Good job. That's plenty. Thank you. Okay. You ready? Look, these are your cookies for Santa, right? Okay, so we need to test them to make sure they're good enough for Santa. Okay? Look, I got a little one so we can try the little one and see Santa a big one. It's good? Take a bite.
I did.
Can I take a bite?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Here, one more bite. What do you think Santa's gonna say?
Ho, ho, ho.
Merry.
Christmas.
Thanks for cooking with us today.
Bye, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Have a good Eve.
Love you.
Bye. See you on
Bye.
the channel.
Good job.
If you want to subscribe, click on the button. Subscribe. Subscribe. I'm gonna pour like a teacup.